Hi everyone and welcome to our Kangaroo Road project. So the brief for our clients was to change the orientation of the kitchen. It actually was directly where I'm sitting across from is where the kitchen originally was. So by changing it, it makes it more of an entertaining space and it just makes it easier access from the living room and the dining rooms as well. It's a beautiful old home that we were working with, which comes with very grand ceilings. So we definitely wanted to amplify that within the design choices. So we opted to open up the openings as much as we could whilst retaining the beautiful ceiling detail that we got above. And I think it was well worth the effort to keep a nod to what the house was. One of my favourite aspects of the space is the island tile that we chose. It can be a bit polarising, I think, for some people, but I love the contrast and the conversation starter that it acts for the space. And it also works with the other elements that our clients already have, so it ties everything together. One of my other favourite parts of the space is the fluted bar cabinet we've got to the right here. It's a beautiful place for styling and storing all your drinks and spirits and whatnot, as well as acting as a perfect addition to an entertainer's kitchen. As another point of difference in the space, we opted for a black floorboard to keep with the high contrast that we're going throughout the space. Normally clients would go for a light oak or something similar, so it's really nice to have a play with something a bit different, and I think it really works within the other elements that we've got going on in the space. Like many renovations, there always comes with some challenges, and this beautiful home, although it looks stunning now, it wasn't the easiest to get here. The subfloor underneath was hanging on by a thread, so it required quite a lot of work to get that up to standard, as well as the brick. It's a solid brick home, so all the walls were out of plumb, so we had a lot of rendering that needed to happen to get that as straight as we can be, whilst not tampering with the beautiful ceilings as well. So a bit tricky, but we managed to make it work. So this was a really fun project to work on. I had a lot of fun working with the clients to design the perfect entertaining space for them both, and I'm sure they're going to have a lot of fun in the years to come. I don't know what to do with my hands. Beep, 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 beep. Fireworks. Well, I wanted to team with the theme.
So you decided to dress up as the kitchen?
Yeah, why not? Go whole hog. Over and out. Wait, sorry. That's a wrap.